My journey with ServicePlus started way back in 2016 when I started my first garage in Chennai. And me and my brother run this brand called ServicePlus, and we've been operating ServicePlus outlets ever since. So our journey started with very simple beginnings. We had a garage. It was a multi-brand garage. We set it up. We had our trained mechanics, and as a company from the very beginning, we always wanted to be a technology-enabled multi-brand service solution company. So we've always been very curious and very open to finding how technology can change workshop and how we can make it more efficient, because that's the angle which I was trying to run the workshop from. So being a guy who comes with a background where I have experience with working on bikes myself, right from doing water washes to small jobs to major engine jobs, I've tried my hands at pretty much everything I can find for. With all that experience, when I now run the workshop as an owner or as a manager, there are certain things which I need that to be under my constant observation, constant supervision for me to ensure that the workshops are running efficiently. And this is very much possible for a single person who spends his entire day in the workshop to keep this kind of supervision, for sure. But the problem comes when you want to have a workshop which does not constantly require this human supervision at all times. Why can't we replace that with technology? That was my underlying requirement. And when I set out to search for a solution regarding to this, I basically came across GaragePlug. So very quickly, I was able to get in touch with the team of GaragePlug, and guys out there were super helpful with what I wanted. They set up a video call with me, and they ran me through the software. And after a long time, trust me, I have seen many softwares before this. This is not the first time I'm looking for this one. After a long time, I was able to find a software which genuinely met our requirement. Just the way how it should have been designed from a shop floor manager or a workshop manager point of view. It's got the right tools, it's got the UI, the right kind of features that now enable me to run 6 ServicePlus outlets across the country in Chennai, Bangalore, Pune and Mumbai, and still be sitting in my office having complete peace of mind that I know exactly what is happening in my workshops. So this is the kind of solution that I have gotten by using GaragePlug, which is why I will, like you guys know, I will continue using GaragePlug as a part of the entire ServicePlus network of outlets that we open across in the future. And quite happy with the way you guys have worked out, quite really happy with the way the customer service part was related. Rakesh ji has always been an important part of this journey with us. Whenever we needed him no matter what the time, the kind of cooperation we got was quite overwhelming. I really wish GaragePlug a really good big best of luck, and I know that for sure for a technology solution like this, there are a lot of people out there who are waiting to see how they can automate their workshops, which is, I think, the need of the hour, considering the way technology is taking on our lives.